Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Today we'll see the recipe of chocolate ice cream without whipping cream and CMC and GMS powder. Also, we are not going to use the ice cream machine in this recipe. If you like this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. और अगर आप हमारी रेसिपीज हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो आज ही हमारा चैनल द टेरेस किचन इन हिंदी सब्सक्राइब करें. Now let's take a look at the recipe.
To melt the chocolate, bring some water to a boil, then switch off the flame. Melt 125 gram dark chocolate. So it was already hot, so I used bigger chunks, but you can grate the chocolate and use. Now to this melted chocolate, we are going to add some condensed milk, some as in 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. It's 400 gram. Give this a good mix. Now to this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. This is natural unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using Cadbury brand's cocoa powder. So this mixture is now ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Now comes the cream whipping part. So here I've taken 2 250 ml Amul's fresh cream packets. Do not use the packets if they are at room temperature. You need to refrigerate these for some time. You can keep this in your freezer for some time or for a few hours in your normal fit section. So after you do that, the thicker part of the cream will separate from the milk part. So take out the thick part of this cream in a bowl. So I'm going to use the thick part of the cream from both the packets. So now here in another bowl, I've taken a lot of ice cubes. So on top of it, I'm going to place this bowl. This cream takes a lot of time to get whipped, so you need to keep patience and continue whipping it. If the weather is hot or if you see that it's not happening quickly, pop this bowl in your refrigerator for some time, take it out, again whip. So you need to whip this till it thickens. We don't want it to be very stiff, but it should be thick enough to get a very smooth consistency in the ice cream. So this cream has thickened, you can see. So it's quite stiff, so you cannot use this to decorate a cake, but it's definitely perfect to make an ice cream. So to this we're going to add the chocolate mixture. Now gently fold this till the mixture of the ice cream becomes very smooth. You can see this chocolate ice cream mixture has become very smooth. At this stage you can add around half cup of milk if you want, if you think it's too thick. Now to this I'm going to add Choco chips. So these are from my homemade Choco chips recipe. You can check it out on my channel. Now take airtight container and pour this mixture into it. So if you have a bigger one, you can pour the entire mixture in one container. Now I'm going to sprinkle some Choco chips on. Now let it freeze in your freezer section. This might take some time because we have used cream completely. So it depends on the power of your refrigerator as well. So you can see this ice cream has completely set. It has come out very smooth. I'll take out a scoop and show you. So this ice cream has come out very smooth. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.